The new age Konkani films are in a phase of evolution. With the introduction of all sorts of technologies, the films are really promising. However, the filmmakers are struggling to get the audience in theatres for their films. Director of National Award winner Konkani Film Sera, Rajeev Shinde says even the filmmakers in a way are responsible for this situation.
Sera Gotpache Gottale was shot in just 16 days. It was premiered and was the only Konkani film at the International Film Festival of India last year in the prestigious Indian Panorama section. After winning several awards and after doing rounds at various film festivals across the globe, it released in the state on Friday. The movie was awarded the National Award on 3rd May. It will be screened at Panjim between 5th to 11th May.
This actually worries every film producer must be worried about this situation. As you said, rightly pointed out. See, the problem is that if you want to make a good film, necessary is that you have to spend money. For good technical excellence, you have to spend money because those things are costly. And if you spend money, then you are worried about the recovery because as it is, Goa is a small market. As people don't come, as it is, we have population is also less, Konkani knowing in Goa. Of course, language is no barrier because some films prove that it can be in any language and film can run. But bringing people to theatre is a real challenge to all of us, all filmmakers. I think we are also responsible in some way. I'm not blaming audience for not coming. Of course, I will request them to come.
I said, only thing I don't want to make any compromise on any quality of or any support of the film. As I have been telling the entire team, I said, I'm not looking at, I told my chartered accountant also, I said, don't tell me how much is going from my account. They said, for little, oh, we should have made expense, it could have been better quality and all. So I don't want to think about that. I said, is it required? How much it will be required for the quality? Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Because every time this chemistry, story and cast and actors, brilliant performances may not work out, every time. I said, this time it has worked out, let's give full to it.
Our video journalist Yashwant Parab from Panjim.